Here, we have the back of the chair, the base of the chair, the seat of the chair, the right armrest, the left armrest, the neck support, the lumbar support, the connecting shaft, all of the screws, the nuts, 2 Allen wrenches, a wrench, and 2 metal plates. First, we're going to take the shaft, put it into the base of the chair. Next, we'll take the seat and slide it right onto the shaft. The next pieces you'll need are the metal plates, the Allen wrench, and the smallest screws. The square side screws into the base of the chair. Again, the square side screws into the bottom of the chair. Using the Allen wrench to tighten it. Next, we're going to place on the armchair, the armrests. Notice, the holes on the bottom here must line up to the holes here. So when you place it in, make sure that the holes are nice and lined up. Next, you'll grab the smallest screws and your Allen wrench and tighten them in. The other arm, the same. The 2 holes on the bottom line up with the 2 holes here on the plates, metal plates. Slide it into place. Take 2 screws. Next, we're going to fix the back of the chair to the base of the chair. Notice these 2 holes here, they line up with these protruding parts here. Line those up, like so. You're going to take, again, the smallest screw, slide it into place, take the nuts and screw them onto the screws, fixing them securely into place. Next, we're going to screw these portions into here. So drop the back of the chair into place, lining them up. You can note that there's a Velcro section that you can reveal. Slide the screw in, make sure it goes to the back of the chair, and screw it into place with your Allen wrench. Then simply do the same with the other side. Exposing the hole, sliding in the screw. Ensure that it lines up and goes all the way through before tightening it in. Next, we'll attach the cushions. Take the lumbar support, place it right in place, take the headrest, unclasp it, feed the string through the back of the chair, snap it back into place, and then the last step of all, the most important step, sit on your chair and enjoy your games in style.